Inhlangano yezishoshovu i-Operation Dudula isihlabeke ikhwela lokuthi iqiniso ukulawulwa kwemingcele yakuleli ngemuva kokubanjwa kwebhasi belithola abantu abangamashumi-32 bokufika kuleli abangenawo amaphepha afanele okwenzeke budebuduze neBloemfontein ngenkathi kuqhubeka umkhankaso wezokuphepha emgwaqeni ngephasika. Amaphoyisa kathi-ke leli bhasi belisuka eZimbabwe lilibangise eKapa kanti-ke beliqale lahlolwa eBeitbridge Border Post ngaphambi kokuthi-ke laba abagibeli abangekho emthethweni bebanjwe kusivimba-mgwaqo ku-N1. I-Operation Dudula ithi-ke lesi sigameko sikhomba ngokwehluleka ekuphathweni kwemingcele yabe-ke isiyalela uhulumeni ukuthi akawenyuseke amasokisi eqiniseni ukuqashwa kwemingcele kanye-ke nokubuyiselwa emuva kwabantu abakuleli ngokungekho emthethweni.
Inhlangano eliswana nobukufika ngokungemthetho kwelakuleli okuyi-Operation Dudula isizwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokusebenza kwemingcele yakuleli kulandela ukwanda kwemibiko yabokufika abatholakala bengenazo izimfanelo.
We've been saying this for the past 5 years or so. Sikhuluma nge-issue yama-porous borders ala eSouth Africa, iyenzakala every day, even njoba sikhuluma khona manje, I'm sure khona ibhasi eligcwele ngama-illegal foreigners from Zimbabwe, Mozambique or from wherever coming to South Africa, and it's unfortunate ukuthi badlula right ema-borders wethu, hayi nokuthi baya-cross ama-border in terms of illegally, they cross ama-border right phakathi eduze kwe-BMA, and our law enforcement are taking bribes. Our law enforcement are the one who are facilitating these illegal foreigners to come to South Africa.
Kusenjalo le nhlangano ithi kumele kube khona ushintsho kumthetho waseNingizimu Afrika.
It's going to be difficult first of all, it needs the political will. The ANC needs to decide ukuthi they want to make a change, they want to maintain our borders wethu. Without that political will, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. And as our citizens, well, we need to be careful and we need to be very, very vigilant on what is happening. We've got our neighbors who are illegally occupying houses like Soweto, and so we need to be careful. What can be done is South Africans, as patriotic South Africans, we need to start talking more about this. We need to start venting out our anger about this. And some stage, we need the Eastern Cape or Kukombo. Bapumila bantu ba estratini baluisa this Nigerian law or Zenzi King. So I think it's about time now as South Africans sivugeni sisugumeni siqwaleni itrati.
Ngempela sonto yephasika tholakala ibhasi ebelilayisha bokufika ngokungemthetho nokungaqondakali ukuthi badlule kanjani emingceleni. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngisa Dobsonville.